Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Alright, let's get started. So, let's go over the game plan for today while we prepare. I want to see, so the 4 hour, we couldn't get above the 4 hour high up here, right? We rejected. We did get a shift below on the hourly here. So the hourly still bearish till we can close above the high of 19,688. So till we break above that, I'll try to play downside. Right now we're about to tap the optimal. So what I want to wait for is just see how it reacts to these two levels right here, the optimal and then the premium and monthly open, right? We have a 15-minute order block. We want to see how it reacts. We want to see a slight rejection. Once we get a slight rejection, we want to have a shift below the lows, right? It'll probably make a new low when it comes up here. And then we can play short side. Upside for me here, it had a 15-minute break, retested. You could play the upside here, but your risk is all the way to 19,499. So you're risking about 60 points. Not the best risk to reward for me personally. It's not something I would like to trade here, so I'll sit out on that one. And I'll wait for the either break above, be patient, so our previous day sweep and retest. I'll play that, or I'll wait for the breakdown. No need to rush. We're up very nice this whole week. No reason to give back profits. NVDA needs to stay below 119.07 on the 15-minute time frame. Apple, I want to see Apple pop off the open to around 230.79, 231.20. A little 15-minute buy to sell setup, so Apple puts can work. If the open gives us a pop, reject and target 228.88. Amazon, same thing. You want to see a tap 173 area. Other than that, it's pretty much it. Let me actually chart up ES because I don't think I've charted it up yet. The 4 hours all the way over there. That's done. Optimal premiums right here. Okay. See the 1 hour. 1 hour broke below as well. Did break this 1 hour high here though. So now I want to see a break below the low right here. Let's go on the 15-minute. Yeah, I want to see a break below the low on a 15-minute time frame. 620. And then if we can do the hourly high to low, we're right at the 50%. Let's mark up the optimal and premium. Optimal level is green, premium is purple, so optimal, premium. Fibs, I only use fibs to pretty much kind of give me an entry pinpoint, piece of confluence, piece of evidence into my trade. So we can watch and wait for that same thing. It's NQ, right? Tap within those zones. And then QQ is right at that 475 level, so pretty nice. No, I don't trade YM. I only trade NQ. I watch ES with NQ, but I don't trade ES. I just strictly trade NQ. Like I always say to my room, my Discord, it's like, if you're good at something, it's not broken, why fix it, right? It's the same situation here. Very good at NQ. We make money on it daily, so no reason to change it up. And I trade options as well too, so that's the reason why I only trade NQ. So patience, guys. Let the market take into PCE news as well. We want to see how it's going to react to it. The setup will present itself to us, right? And then we can execute. So let's see. We just tapped the optimal. So if we are going to reject from the optimal, I do want to see a shift below the low. This order block here. So we still have room down. So let's just be patient, see how it's going to react. It did tap the optimal. It is rejecting the high, which is pretty good. Nice little rejection so far, 30 points. That's fast. I'd be lying to you guys if I told you I caught that. So let's wait for the shift here for confirmation now and see if we can take an entry. Yeah, exactly, G. Yeah. It's just the best way, to be honest. Let's look at Apple. Did it have a small pop? No, it didn't get it to the 230.79. Amazon, Microsoft, NVDA needs to stay below 119.07 in the next 13 minutes and a half. So pretty much we'll have to wait the first 15 minutes, guys, see how the market reacts and see what we can get in, okay? Let me look at ES over here actually. ES, if it breaks this one here, then we can break down to 620, 6 points pretty quick. Okay, that'd be nice. NVDA getting a little rejection, staying below that level that we wanted, which is good. Amazon's retesting weekly, not Amazon, sorry, Microsoft retesting weekly open as well. Nice little rejection on the NQ. Okay. Oh, I forgot to do this shit, huh? Alright. Let's go on a 1 minute real quick. Oh, that's on the 15 on ES. Oh, ES did have a 5 minute shift though. So ES is bearish on a 5 minute and it has a buy to sell setup. So ES sells can actually work here. Your risk is just this 56.40 as your stop loss, and you want to target 56.20. So 15-point profit, and you'll risk about 4 points as a stop loss on the 5 minute. But like I said, I want to be patient. I want to wait for at least 8:45. But they did get the shift, so that's good confirmation to have. You're gonna fuck around, find out. Chill, bro. Be patient. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. I promise we'll get paid. Just wait. Be patient. We've been patient all week. Made money every single day we waited. So no reason to not. So what could possibly happen here if we do get the break here, guys? It can be a momentum trade. So it's probably just gonna slide right through. So be quick. Be fingers ready on the trigger. Okay. If we break down the next 50 seconds, there's easy slide 17 points to that 14,500 level. And then daily open. There it goes. We gotta wait for the close though. We gotta wait for the candle close. No wicks. We wait for candle closes here. Let's see if we can get it. Next 30 seconds close below this, we take some sells. So try not to go heavy because it is going to be a bigger risk. If we take sells for momentum, our risk is this high. So that's a bigger stop than I would like. That's about 50, 60-ish points. Like double what I usually would ever stop out at. So, but the potential of it is to catch the rejection all the way down to sweep this trend line liquidity. So pretty much all the way 19,390 area. All right, so come and sweep all this trend line. We held on to 5 minutes, so no trade for me. No position just yet. I gotta wait for the close below. Let's go on the 1 minute. 1 minute did get a shift, but held a low. So patience. Yeah, still trying to push up as you guys can see on the right side as well. Let's actually go look at NVDA. NVIDIA's right at the level we want it to stay below, 119.07. We want that to close below on the 15 minute, and we can continue lower, monthly open. All right, and then yesterday's low day would be your TP area. But Microsoft still looking good. Rejected the weekly open. Very nice. Let's go look at Apple. Apple, it wants to push to the 230.79. So if you get the entry, will you sell market contracts or set your limit at? No, I'll set. So I always have my orders at market. I always do market orders. Yeah, ES is capping right now. I feel like ES is lagging behind. If we get a shift below, right? If we get a shift below right here, this low, and it's momentum that we're seeing the momentum to the downside, I'm gonna just smack it immediately. But if I don't see the momentum, I'm gonna wait for the retest of the 50%. Because what could happen here is if we get the 5 minute break right here, as you guys can see, it's gonna form this 5 minute order block, right? So my 4 steps are usually break, order block imbalance, fibs, and then a retest, right? So this is going to be a beautiful setup because we get the break here. We're going to have order block imbalance. We're going to take our fibs. And most importantly, we have a buy to sell setup here, right? We're going to have this form right here. If this breaks below, retest and break down lower. That's how I wanted to play out today. But we need the break. I can't anticipate the break, or I can't trade it with no confirmation, right? So we still have to wait 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Can we miss it if it's just straight leaks? Yeah, and I'm okay with that, right? You have to be okay with sometimes not be able to catch the move and just being patient. I prefer having confirmation than just trying to, you know, gamble here. So let's see. And NVDA is trying to stay above that. Let's see if it just retests the daily and then rejects below. If NVIDIA closes above this on the 15 minute, I personally would not like to stay short bias on this. We just need it to stay below, right? And see how everything's popping? That's why we wait for confirmation. You don't want to smack down here. You don't want to buy sells or puts at low a day, right? Or lows, and then you get fucked just like that. So patient. It's going to 1 minute though. We could do it on the 1 minute here off of rejection and break right here, but it's pretty strong momentum to the upside. And if it is above daily open as well, so yeah, I'm just gonna be patient today. No break. If there's a break, trade. If there's no break, no trade. This is my rule of thumb. The 1 minute could work, right? But it's just very risky. You have to shift here. I'm pretty sure we're tapping the premium. Swing high to swing low. Yep, tap the premium right here. Nice little rejection to target 516. Then that would have been 40 points. Yep, that was a nice entry in the 1 minute. But I want to wait for the 5 minute in this range here. NVIDIA has a minute to stay below. Let's go look. Apple is chilling. Amazon still kind of popping. Microsoft, nice little rejection. Nice little gap fill. Let's see. Remember guys, there's sometimes where we wait half an hour for the A+ setup. We execute, we make money. Feels like today's gonna be one of those days we're gonna wait for at least 9 a.m. So right now it's 8:40. At least 20 more minutes because we do have revised consumer sentiment in 20 minutes, and we have, let me double check what else. Yeah, we have the revised UM consumer sentiment and revised inflation expectations. So pretty decent news in 20 minutes, guys. Today's the day to be patient. It's Friday, right? So don't feel like you have to force a trade here today. ES is at the high. If it does close below that high in 9 seconds, it's a great short opportunity in my opinion. Same way NQ. Let's actually go look at SPY real quick. SPY, we want it to stay below the 564 level, but within this range, needed to stay below 562.91 on the 15 minute. That's your range right now for SPY. Right now it's 562.91, and then the low of it's 557.20. So that's your range. We're actually, I think we're right. We're right at the optimal right now on SPY. We're gonna tap the premium at 561.84. But we are at the optimal, so I'm checking that on my other screen over here. Just see how it reacts. QQ, I think I have it here. QQ is right at the optimal as well. Just to kind of show you guys, we're right at the optimal. We tapped it off the open, so you guys can see, and rejected it. So pretty nice area. That's where you want to pretty much take sells or puts on QQ, and your risk is the 15 minute high up here. Well, like I said, news in 18 minutes. Amazon looks strong though. Looks strong to the upside. Microsoft bounced off the gap fill. Apple totally. NVIDIA closed above the 15 minute. Oh, it's still got 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes to close above here. Needs to reject the daily open. Rejects it, closes below the next 3 minutes. I'm like 99.9% sure it will leak if that happens. Only if and when that happens, I'll feel super confident on downside. If that doesn't happen, I'm just gonna sit out and wait for the setup. ES rejected the high. It's trying to get above it here right now though, so could break it. We're gonna get a nasty break. It's like, I believe that was the London's. Let's see, was it? Yep, London's high. About to tap the 1 hour optimal. Yeah, the vid is above. NQ still rejecting that high up there, still rejecting the 1 minute high as well. I mean, the risk isn't bad here on NQ. You're risking about 10 points in the 1 minute. 19,577 would be your risk on the 1 minute. NVDA trying to push though. Amazon's going. We have confirmation on the 1 minute. We just don't have confirmation on the 5 minute yet. That's why I'm iffy about pulling the trigger here. But sales could work. You're risking about 10 points. 15 points, sorry. Alright, I'm gonna take small size. We're on the 1 minute. 19,578 is my stop loss on these sales right real quick. No crazy size, just small. I want to see if the 1 minute's gonna give us a 5 minute break. And NVDA needs to stay below. That'll be good. ES needs to close below in the next minute and 20 seconds as well. That'll be good to see. Remember, news in 17 minutes. Yes, looks like it wants to reject that high. Apple's rejecting. Amazon's breaking. Microsoft's trying to push up too. It's off the 1 minute, so very, very risky. $15 seconds here on ES. Chicago PMI in 1 minute. Yep, right now it just hit. ES closed below the high. That's good. We should see a rejection here. We should see a nice little rejection. With both of them closing below the highs. NVIDIA is just strong though. NVIDIA can be the one pushing us up. Apple's breaking down. Microsoft rejected. Yeah, it's trying to get a little rejection, and Q's trying to pop, obviously because of NVIDIA. And Q's at the high here, and it closed above. It closed above the high. I'm putting my stop at 85, hard stop. If it hits that high above we just made, then it'll stop me out. We did close above the 1 minute, so we gotta respect it. So hard stop at 19,885, guys. 19,585. Just because we did break above on the 1 minute. That was like 0.25 right there. Yes is rejecting nicely. Yeah, ES getting a nasty rejection. There goes ES. There we go. There we go. Back in profits on these NQ. ES is probably leading us today. Let's see. Nice, nice. Nice little 10 points here. We want lower though. Yes, rejection is very nice. Apple's breaking down, which is good. Nice, guys. There we go. 15 points on these NQ. Nice. There we go. Very fucking nice. I was 0.25 away from getting stopped out on that shit. It's fucking wild. Quick little 16, 17 points here. Let's see if we get a... Yeah, bro. 0.25 and it would have stopped me out. I thought it almost tapped it. Very nice, very nice. Quick little 17 points here. I'm still holding a few. I want to see us break this low here. We need to shift back. I just don't like the NVDA is broken above the 15-minute right here. So it's the only thing I don't like. Apple is weak. Microsoft is strong. Not Microsoft. Amazon is. So tough, tough, tough. Data kind of hot. Yeah, ES nice rejection. We have news in 10 minutes, so these next news in 10 minutes can be what moves the market. My runners I still have the same stop at 19,585 on them. I'm just gonna let these runners run. I'm trying to target 19,516, 19,516, 19,500, and then if we're talking about all day slide, 19,337 level. Yeah, ES wants to let go so bad. Remember, we had a 5-minute shift on ES, which is bearish, and it rejected the high, so meaning still bearish, hasn't switched bullish on the 5-minute time frame, right? On the 15-minute, it is bullish. 5 minutes bearish, so this 5-minute can push it there. We fucking go push it down to cause a 15-minute to be bearish as well, right? Very nice, guys. Very, very nice. Make sure you guys are holding some runners here. As soon as we get these 20 points, and that was 1 point away. 20 points here on NQ sales. Alright, moving on my stop, break even. Nice. Can't let the green trade go right now. 25 points here, guys, on NQ sales. Let's go, baby. Let's go. ES is leading us. ES led us today. Very fucking nice. If you guys caught that, let me see some ones. Let me see some ones real quick. Apple's letting go. Microsoft's trying to reject the weekly open. Very, very fucking nice, guys. 25 points there. Good shit. Good shit. We're so close to getting stopped out. Like, so fucking close. Look at 0.25, man. I saw it. I said, oh. If it stops me and it dumps me, I'd be so mad. It worked out, though. We followed the game plan. So the reason I'm explaining, the reason I set that hard stop was because we played off the 1 minute. We did have a 1 minute shift, right? So I had to respect my stop losses. We're not traders where we have hopium. We know if we need to cut our losses, we're going to cut our losses. So the reason I said 1 minute shifted up, the reason I put 885, because if it did want to reject after sweeping, here, then okay, my risk was just going to be slightly above the high of it. Oh, what the Whew, that's a nasty pump. News not even out in 9 minutes. See, that's why you move stops. There you go. That's why you always move stops. When you're in 20, 25. You got stopped, Nate? What the fuck? Yeah, mine is here 184. 19584.75. Literally, it was right on it. I was like, bro. Yeah, it stopped break even. Yep. And it did. Yep, it shifted back up again in the 1 minute. That's why we want to wait for these 5-minute breaks down here. Very nice. 25 points there. Trade pretty quick. Not bad. Not bad. Yep, stopped in profit. Good job. Good job. Yep. This is why. Remember, the way we trade, the way I trade my Discord is when we're profits, we move up stops, we trim, move up stops. The reason why we don't ever want to let a green trade or a winning trade go red, right? Why? Because then you can find better entry. Because let's say we re-enter now, we can re-enter at a better fill anyways, right? So you just got to think of it like that, guys. But let's see if we can get the 5-minute break. News in 7 minutes, pretty much what the market's kind of waiting for right now, and I guess we'll wait for that too then. See what these news come out and say. Good job. Oh. Bruh, they hold my homeboy. It's at the monthly open here. ES is back at the high. NVDA is strong, I'm telling you. NVDA pushing after the 15-minute break. It's at the high here too, though. Apple bouncing off the TP and low here. 228. What did I say pre-market? 220.88 would be your target. That's your target. Bounce it off. Microsoft still trying to go as well up here. So let's see. News in 7 minutes. QQ is right at the premium now. It's at the premium level as well. Same as NQ. Could be a nice rejection here. SPY is at the premium as well. Yeah, we can see a nasty rejection off the premium levels right now. Let's watch. I'm not taking entry because, like I said, we shifted back up. So I want to wait for confirmation. Confirmation is all the way down here though. That's fucking wild. So let's see. So far about, what, 10 points? 12 points from that premium level. Pretty nice. Good job, Doug. Yeah. We'll find another setup right now. We'll find another entry. We'll find something else. I'm just being cautious here, playing it safe just because we have news in a little bit. So don't want to force a trade. Only if we have confirmation down. Yes, reject the high again. And NQ and SPY, QQ, SPY, NQ, all at the premium level right now, and ES close below. There's just no way we don't reject here, in my opinion. There's no way we don't. There's no way. Like, this should be, yeah, there you go. This should be the area it has to reject. Slick tune, what? What are you asking, bro? I don't know what you're asking. It did, bro. It did. Apple did. Apple hit the TP. 228.88. 228.88 was your TP. It hit it. So you should be out majority. You should just be holding runners. It hit TP. So guys, what does it mean when we hit TP? TP1. What do we do usually? What do we do? We trim and what? And move up stops, right? So what do? TP hit, you trim, and you move up stops, correct? Thank you, guys. There you go. Very good job. About 50 of you in here today. You guys all know the same rules. Same way with the NQ. Trim, move up stops, right? The bid is rejecting the high. That's very good. Everything is lining up here, guys, to fucking reject. But I don't want to force it right before the news. I prefer being a little bit more patient. It's not going to hurt me waiting 3 more minutes here, so. maybe it will hurt. Maybe it will dump 100 points and none. I'll be salty, but it's okay. I don't want to see a push up on ES no more. That's as high as I want to see ES go today. To be honest, I don't. It doesn't need to go higher, bro. Can it? Yes, of course, definitely. Should it? Nah, not the way I want to play it. We got a nice little hourly head and shoulder here too. Very nice setup. I mean, very nice setups here. All right, let's see what's gonna happen. Either this news blasts us or it dumps us. Bro, people are funny as fuck. Exactly, bro. It's not your money to secure it. Let's go look at this real quick. Psychedelic, you're in this? Oh, y'all bought the top. Oh my god. I mean, it looks good off the hourly. Yeah, the hourly looks good. It has potential, but yeah, I don't know about that one. I hate trading Microsoft though, because their fucking Collins move so shitty, bro. Their spreads are so ass majority of the time. 15 seconds for the news. Let's see. News just hit. News just hit. If it push up, it has room to the previous day high. 15-minute close below the monthly open though. Yes, at the optimal here. Had a 5-minute shift though. Tough area. Where's our 1 minute? 1 minute's right here. And NVDA's still pushing up. Apple bouncing off that low. Let's go with the 15. Really on ES, it's still bullish. It's bullish now, especially in the 5-minute too. It just went bullish. On a 15, of course, it was bullish. For me to trade ES downside, it has to be 56.26 break. If it doesn't, then I won't even touch downside. NQ now, let's go look at the 5. Let's look at the 15. I need a 15 below 19,500. I need a 5 below 19,516 to even consider shorts as well. I need a 1 minute below 19,556 to consider shorts. So shorts is out of the pictures till we get those confirmation. Right now, it could push up to previous day high, but I'm not chasing the top either. So let's see what the market wants to do. Amazon strong. Apple's still trying to let go though. I mean, if it did close below the highest wall in that last 5 minute. Yeah, it looks like today's gonna be one of those days whether we be patient or no trade today. It hasn't been a day where we don't take a trade, but today might be the day, guys. QQQ is at the high. ES is rejecting the optimal. Need to see previous day high, hourly close above that for me to go bullish. Excuse me. Man, my fucking Wi-Fi's tripping again. Is Microsoft also 1 hour premium? It might be at the optimal right now. No, not yet. The optimal's 417.84. It is at the 50%, which is 416.47. Yeah, Apple's relatively weak. Yep. And Q's trying to reject here. People funny as fuck. I gotta see the shift, man. Yeah, today's fucking boring for a Friday. Okay. We got a new low. New OP. If we can break the 1 minute on 19,588, I'll short it. Oh, there it goes. 30 more seconds. Don't fucking leak all the way. Get away from me. Wait. Yeah, NVDA, that's the rejection off that high. Apple's trying to let go. Okay. We need to break this low. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. Probably gonna be momentum here. ES rejecting the optimal, guys. Be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2. And it fucking held. It held a low. They're just fucking with me now. Oh, they're just fucking with us now. It's gonna just slide now. Fucker. I can't take entry. No confirmation. I can't. Gotta wait. Excuse me. Sorry for my language, guys. But yeah, ES rejected the optimal so far. Super micro. Nice, bro. Good job. Yeah, my contracts are ready for the sales there too, but no break, no confirmation. All right, so Apple's in the gap though. It's in gap down. Apple's in the gap down, so it's looking good. We just need a break here in a minute. So 13 seconds. Finger in the trigger. Come on. 3. If it holds it again, I'll be so mad. 2. All right, close. It held it. It held it again. They're just gonna slide it now. Oh man, they held it again. Don't slide it without us. There it goes. Apple's letting go, man. Sheesh. Apple's next TP is weekly open, 226.77 area. I can't take entry in the queue. They're holding the low. Maybe a retest of the imbalance here and then push down, inverse rally gap 2, and then break the 1 minute. That'd be nice. NVDA sliding. Yeah, it rejected the high. It rejected the high, that's why. Okay, let's see. We're gonna get it. 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, they closed below. I'm taking some sells here. Took some sells, guys. Nice. I like that they closed it below the low. We don't want to see. We want to see it tap the imbalance though, but we don't want to see it close above 598. There goes NVIDIA. Yeah, trying to let go. Apple's trying to break the low. Let's see. Now that we got the break, let's see if we can get a retest. We want to see a tap of the imbalance right here. Let's see. All right, we just tapped the imbalance here on NQ. In Apple puts, I'd wait for the break below on Apple. Okay, let's see if we can reject off this imbalance. Risk is up here. We need NVIDIA to start sliding. Nice little rejection off the imbalance. We want more. We want more. There we go. Nice. Nice, guys. Everyone should be in profits here. Very nice. With that retest. Oh my god. Give me my money. I'm securing some profits here, guys. Make sure to secure some profits. Remember, it's not your money to secure profits. Remember that. Let's go, baby. Alright, now you can leak it all the way, and I'll be happy. Very nice rejection there. Quick low 20 points. Very nice. I'm pretty much done here for today now. I'm actually pretty happy. Pretty happy with my small gains today. Buckle up, buckle up. We need the 5 break below here. Ooh, there we go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Yeah, I got my stop at 590 now with my average. Very nice setup there. See, NVIDIA's trying to break down, which is good. We like seeing these type of rejections. NVIDIA, let go, baby. It comes out today, Roll. The beta. I'll probably play it today too. Oh, 2-3 hours. But I'll probably run some up. Alright, that was quick little profits there.